how do you know that this is an area I should be purchasing or wanting to do property deals in? In this video, I'm going to use SPAREROOM and show you exactly how not just me, but hundreds of our real life tribe members as well are getting properties in prime areas that are going to generate lots of cash flow when they follow the process, when they follow the system. So my name is Mark Harvey. I am a business owner, entrepreneur, and I love the basics. The basics keeps me sharp. So let's have a look right here how we find. It's so simple. You can do this for any area on the map. Yeah, let's just pick any old place right here. Leicester. So let's go LE3. And first of all, the first thing that it's going to bring up is what rooms in LE3 are available to rent. 77. Yeah, 77. So then it will show you what are like the asking prices from some of these landlords or agents that are out there. Yeah, and you can see they all use all kinds of jazzy stuff up here, little emojis. Might be one of our tribe members. So anyway, look, so 77, and very simply, now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to say rooms wanted. Yeah, this is going to let me see the demand. So look, rooms wanted is 238, but there's only 77 rooms available. Yeah, another reason why Leicester is an Article 4 area. If you don't know what that is, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go check out the videos where I explain what that is. But simply all it is just it's like a directive. It is a process that says, hey, we can't just have buildings turned into what's called a HMO, which is what we're obviously looking at here. So it makes it more valuable because people can't just go to the street and say, yeah, I'm going to turn it into this into the rooms, which is probably why there's more people looking for rooms than there are available. So again, these tenants here will tell you who they are and what kind of budget they're looking to pay. So this is really useful for the demand, and it can help and contribute to how you work out your numbers as well. So I also want to be sharing with you how to work out the numbers. So if you want a numbers session, make sure you subscribe, go search those videos within this channel where I'm working out numbers and show you how to stack property deals up. But it's literally that simple. NG, we've done NG a load of times, so let's do NG15. Yeah, and let's go back to rooms for rent. Yeah, so the rooms for rent. So in the NG15 area, there's only actually 5 rooms available right now on this website, SPAREROOM. Yeah, rooms wanted. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Get out of town. 441 rooms, and there's only 5 available in this area. Yeah, so what you got to take into consideration, people might have a broad search and then want to narrow it down once people start contacting them, because this is available to obviously reach out to these people. That's what this website is all about. This is so easy, so straightforward to follow. And the only thing that lets people down is the mindset, which we also teach as well. This explains across my whole portfolio, but my definitely rooms and my HMO portfolio is 100% occupied right now. In fact, SPAREROOM, since they started, have now said this is the highest demand that they have ever seen. But even before all of this, just go right back to 2017 when I started investing in property, built a portfolio of over 4.5 million just in the first 18 months, which, by the way, I have since trained other people to do it faster, bigger, better, and more profitable than what I did it in the first place. This was a strategy that we used of how to qualify the demand. So we're always innovating, and that's what we're doing in our community, which is always the latest on a weekly basis, by the way. The property market does take a while to change, but like on a weekly basis, we want to always be bringing the latest, answering the questions of what people have, so people are making sure that they're doing the right thing for the right reason and making money in property, because that's what it's all about, because it is a vehicle for financial freedom. Now, in another video that will be coming soon, make sure you subscribe to this video so you get it. I'm going to be showing you now I know the areas, how do I go and take that search criteria even deeper, even further, to go and select the right properties to go ahead and start making offers on to build my property portfolio, specifically on Rightmove. So if you've got any other questions in the meantime, put them in the comments, reach out to me on social media. Me and the team will be here to help you and want to add value for you. So if you need anything else, let us know. Until then, do the right thing for the right reason, because it is the only way you're going to discover your true potential.